Ever wondered how people are making $100, even $300 a day online with AI, without writing a single line of code, without design skills, and without showing their face? Well, I'm going to show you step by step how total beginners are turning AI into daily income, and how you can start today. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been scrolling through YouTube or TikTok lately, you've probably seen creators saying things like, AI made me $500 in 24 hours. Sounds like hype, but here's the thing, it's real. AI tools are replacing hours of work, and now anyone can create content, build products, or start services that make money, even if you're starting from scratch. There are 3 proven paths to make $100 a day with AI. Faceless YouTube automation. Use tools like ChatGPT plus Pictory or Opus Clip to create viral videos. You write a script with AI, generate voiceover with 11 Labs, make a full video without filming anything. Post consistently and monetize with ad revenue plus affiliate links. Sell AI-generated digital products. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create stunning art. Turn them into posters, coloring books, journals, or printables. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Some sellers earn over $3,000 a month selling AI-created products. Offer AI-powered services. Become an agency using AI tools. Example: use Jasper.ai for copywriting, Durable for instant websites, or Looka for logos. Then go on Fiverr or Upwork and offer services at scale with minimal manual work. Let me show you a real example. One channel posts motivational videos made with AI, no face, no voice. They use ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voice, Pictory or CapCut for editing, and they're earning $2,000, $5,000 a month from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and even selling merch, all automated. And guess what? You can do the same. Let's break down how the money flows. YouTube Faceless channel. AdSense, $2.10 per 1,000 views. Affiliate links. Recommend gear or courses. Digital product. Sell an ebook or AI template. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Use Gumroad or Etsy. Price, $7.29 per item. You only need to sell 4 items a day to hit $100. AI services. Offer blog writing, social media content, logo design. Use AI, deliver fast. Charge $25, $200 per project. Here are the top 3 or premium tools you can start with. ChatGPT for ideas, writing, scripting. Canva plus Midjourney for design or product creation. 11 Labs or Play.ht for voiceovers. Pictory, CapCut, or Opus Clip for video creation. Gumroad, Etsy, YouTube for monetization. Before you jump in, avoid these common mistakes. Don't spam low-quality content, you'll get ignored. Don't expect results overnight. Consistency is key. Don't rely only on one income source. Diversify. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but you still need to think like an entrepreneur. So, do you want to make $100 a day with AI? Pick one path. Content creator, product seller, AI service provider. Start small, test, improve, grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because I'll be showing you new AI tools and money-making strategies every week. And check the links in the description. I've added a golden opportunity how to make $300 daily profits with a DFY AI program. Thanks for watching. Now go create something awesome with AI.